In Germany, the Reichstag votes on the Enabling Act. Adolf Hitler asks for emergency powers to pass laws without parliament. The argument is simple. This is temporary, just to stabilize the country. Many members agree they believe the system will still limit him. It will not. The distortion is trust. Conservative politicians and centrist parties believe they can control Hitler by working with him. They believe the legal structure around him still holds. They tell themselves he needs cooperation. He cannot act alone. That belief makes the vote feel manageable. Some voices warn that giving legislative power to one man removes the safeguard entirely. The Constitution would no longer restrain the government. The answer is calm. This is a crisis. The power is temporary. Order must return. Trust replaces caution. Opposition members are intimidated. Some are absent. Others debate whether resisting will only worsen instability. The justification stays steady. If we refuse, chaos grows. If we cooperate, we guide him. You see a smaller version. You approve a temporary rule change at work because you trust the person asking for it. They promise it's just for this project. Just for now. You assume the system will reset later. Back in the Reichstag, Hitler promises respect for the Constitution. He promises that Parliament will still exist. The assurances sound careful, measured. Some lawmakers privately doubt him. They see the growing violence outside the chamber. Political opponents already being arrested. The belief answers quickly. He needs legitimacy. He cannot abandon law completely. This is politics. Trust absorbs the warning. The Enabling Act passes with the required majority. Parliament gives the government the right to make laws without their approval. The decision feels procedural, legal, contained. For a moment, the system still appears intact, but the law has shifted authority permanently. Once passed, opposition parties are banned, independent institutions are removed, Parliament becomes symbolic. The trust that justified the vote has no mechanism left to correct itself. The assumption had been simple. Power given temporarily can be taken back. That assumption required cooperation from the person receiving it. It required trust. Trust does not look reckless. It looks practical. It says we know this person. It says the system will hold. It says the limits still exist. But the Enabling Act removed the limits the moment it was signed. Trust gave the power away. And power rarely returns what trust gives it.